everyone, Nancy with Our Treasure Home, and welcome back to the channel. So I got some more mail this week and everything. This one is from Indiana Backyard Gardener. I'm going to say her name because I keep saying it wrong. Adrianne is her name. Yeah. So, she says, thank you for your continued support. Feel free to plant the entire paper towel. Hope the mint does well for you. So, last week before last, she was doing a giveaway and everything, and I won the chocolate mint. So here is this. I was like, oh yes, I was hoping the mail would be here earlier because you know we getting rain this week. So of course, you know, but I'm like, I'm gonna plant that as soon as I get it so it can get, you know, settled in the soil and everything. Like I said, the other video, we've done the soil. I've turned it and everything, and there's some growths in there. It's like, ooh. I was not expecting to see those stupid things in there, but I was brave. I got them out and everything. And then I don't have no chickens because they, you know, we could have fed those chickens, but I don't have no chickens. But this is gonna be fun. I want to plant out. I have never had chocolate mint, so this will be something fun to see and fun to grow. So thank you so much, Andrianne, Indiana Backyard Gardener. If y'all haven't, I need to go check her out. She so now I think we're both in the same zone, zone 6A, because we used to be zone 5B, and they like changing things. So, but I figure if people in Indiana and Michigan could grow it, I can grow it too, with the proper soil. Yeah. We'll just put it that way. So thank y'all so much for watching. And I will keep y'all up to date on how it goes. Thank you for watching. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.